here's how you can charge people for it. Okay, well, I actually added in a 0. That's fine. The product section, you first need to go into payments. Then we have an option to put in a description. So I'll just put in this is a test. I don't have my Stripe account integrated in this one, so I don't have that, but you'll see an option right below here. Alright guys, welcome back to another video in the GoHighLevel Overview series. In this video specifically, we're going to be talking about how you can create products, how you can link them to a landing page, and how you can create payment links for those specific products. Okay, so we're going to jump in without any further delay. In order for you to access the product section, you first need to go into payments. Okay, and then we have an option right here at the top called products. So click on products. And now I'm going to be showing you how to create a new product. Okay, so one thing you can do is you can create a product from scratch. You can import it from Stripe, okay, or you can import it as a CSV file. Okay, so as of now, we're just going to be create a new normal product from scratch. So I'll just name it as test product. Okay, then we have an option to put in a description. So I'll just put in this is a test of a live video. Now mind you guys, before you create a product, you need to have your Stripe integration completed. What that is, I'm just going to be showing you after we do this. Otherwise, if you don't have your Stripe integrated, you won't be allowed or to collect payments for that. So let me just show you how this is a test for a live video. Then you can upload a media file for whatever product that you prefer. I'm just going to be showing you where it's. Let me see what we have in the media folder. I'll just use this one. Okay, let's just use this one. Let's just use a dummy image, whatever it may be. Okay. Then you can enable product label, so you can put in the description of the product, for example, whatever context you want. So let's just say on sale. We put it in. Add duration. I just want the visibility to be for a certain time period. Okay, the product label is there, so I'll just do from September 3rd till 17th of September. Sorry, September 3rd, and it should end at I don't know, maybe 7th of September, whatever. And then you can add this product to a collection. But before that, you have to create a collection first. We're going to be talking about that in the next video. But we have a dummy collection created, so you can just add it to another collection. I'm not going to be doing that right now, but you can do it. Then you can add a text category for it. Okay, so this will be used to calculate automatic text. Okay, so you can adjust the taxes in the text settings. You can create a specific text for it and put in a description, put in your text ID number. But we're not going to be going into that. So I'm just going to go back to the product real quick and see where we left off. So, okay, that didn't say it's the test product. This is test for video. I'll put in the image again one more time. Okay, and collection, like I said before, we can add it or not. And then we have a text category. So, you can put in whatever text category you're in. So I'll just do, let's just say, it's audio only, or let's just look into software for now. So let's just see what we have in softwares. Software, yeah. I'll just do computer software. Okay, I'll just do sales and marketing. So business and productivity software, that's cool. And we can add a tax rate to it too, but again, you have to create the tax rate in the text settings, right? Then we have the prices. So we can either charge it one-time cost or we can charge a recurring cost. Okay. So we have both options. I'll just do one time for 20,000. And this, as of now, you see this is set in PKR. You can also change it to whatever currency you want. How about we do it in dollars this time? So I'll go into Hue section, or dollars should be at the top. Yep, there they are. Dollars. So $1,000. I'll just do $20,000 here, and we can compare it at a price. Let's say you want to compare it to $50,000 or whatever. Totally up to you. Totally how you prefer to do it. Okay. Then you can add variations of this product too. So, for example, if this product had been clothing, or if you wanted, or maybe a shirt or something like that, or you wanted to add another variant of it, you could have done that in this in the variants option. So you can add a new variant to that, and you can add a pricing to it. Totally up to you, however you want to schedule it, how you want to manage it. Okay. Then in when you want to add the description for the SEO listing, because you want to wrap the product up front. So you can do test product, and you can put in the SEO metadata based on, whatever product that you have and everything. Okay, so I'll just stick to this one right now, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, sorry, I need to delete this very part. Oh, so that didn't say. Perfect. 3,000 per US. Okay, perfect. I'm going to click on save, and now the product is saved. Okay, let's just have a look at it. Test product, there it is. Now, let's say this product is linked. Okay, here's how you can charge people for it. Okay, well, I actually added in a 0. That's fine. We're not going to ask anyone to pay for it now. So, anyways, cool. So we'll go into payment links, and that is how first you can get payments from people. Now we're going to do create new payment link. Okay. So this is one way of getting payments from a person. Now I'm just going to do test product because it's valued at 200 grand. And it require customers to add a phone number. Here you have first name, last name, email, and then they'll have to pay. So I'm just going to do, we need the phone number too. You want address, if you want, you can. If you don't, you can't. Don't need 2 coupons. You can add a coupon. We haven't touched on this before. We're going to be touching on the coupons in the next video, but coupon is a discount item that you can add in a product, and if they add it and apply, they'll get a discount of certain value. Okay, and let customer adjust quantities. Yes, if they want to buy multiple, you can give them an option to buy multiple. Okay, so you can set between 1 and 10. So if anyone wants to purchase a $2 million product, they can. Okay, call to action is pay. Exactly. Now, if you want to add your branding here, that's fine. But this is a training account, so I don't need it. Then we have 2 options. One is test mode. So test mode is basically you testing the product out. So you need to see if the checkout is fine, if you have automations attached to this checkout and this payment received, and this payment that you receive, you can do that. But like live mode is that now this payment link is placed somewhere, and now someone has to, whenever someone pays, the transaction will happen. In test mode, you can put in dummy data in the checkout, and nothing's going to happen. So I'm just going to save it and preview. Okay, and I'm just going to preview it real quick, and this is generally how a payment link appears. And now, mind you, I don't have my Stripe account integrated. Okay, so this is how it basically appears, but here below you should have an option to put in the bank details and pay. I don't have my Stripe account integrated in this one, so I don't have that, but you'll see an option right below here for people to pay. Okay, so perfect. So this is one way of doing it. Now the other one is that you do it through a checkout page. Okay, so in order to go and access the checkout page, you need to go on sites. Okay, I'll have to create a new funnel, which I'm going to be showing you is checkout test funnel. So I'm just going to go add a new step. So test 1 is going to be this thing. But before that, we need to link the product that we've created in the product section with this right here. So I'm going to click on products here. I'm going to click on add product. And now you see I can select the product here from test product and select the pricing. So everything will be displayed here, and I'm going to click on save. Now the moment the product is added, as you can see here, it's added. You type one-time product, exactly the one that we created. You can go in here and click on create from blank. So create from blank is basically when I need to create a template. When I need to create a website from scratch, I don't need a template. I want to use a template. So I'm just going to do a create from blank. Okay. And this is just to show you guys how you can get the payments. Okay. That's it. So okay, so what we need to do first is we need to put in a full width section here and put in a column and put in an element. So in the element, we'll have to attach an order form. So either it can be a 1-step order form or a 2-step order form. What's the difference between the two? I'm going to be explaining in a second. So I click on 1-step and I'm going to show you the other one, the 2-step one too. Yeah. Now we have both the order forms at one place. So basically what 1-step order form does is it collects the information here, and you have to pay at the same spot as well. In 2-step order, you give your information first, And then, on the next page, you have to go and pay. Okay, so I'm just going to be previewing both of these. So as of now, we don't have a payment method added, but if it will add it, you'll see this, and you'll see an option to pay right below. And you'll see a checkout, so something like this. Yes, card number, the month, the year, and the CVC of the card detail that you want to put in. Okay, so, and for this one, you have to put in the information first and go forth. Now let's say, because we have a virtual product, we don't need shipping, right? So I can go in and edit this. So I can click here, I can go to advanced, okay, and I can just disable that we don't need shipping. Okay, so I'm just going to go here slightly below, and I'm just going to go hide shipping. So see, this one's hidden. Now I'm going to do the same for this one. So an option here. There we go, hide shipping. Now, what are the shipping details have been hidden? So this is basically, guys, how you collect payments, how you create a product, and then how you are able to collect payments from your customers inside GoHighLevel. Hope this helps, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the videos to come, because we're going to be discussing about the other features that the payment section has. This includes coupons, documents and contracts, and the ability to send out invoices to people automatically. All right, guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.